Hello everyone, this is Adam Vincent. This is Java 1, Week 2 for May 2014. So this week we started on the layout and everything for our project. What I'm doing is a stock app. The API I'm going to be using will allow me to search through a query to pull information for different stocks, searching it by the ticker, the stock symbol, So what I think I'm going to do for next week is I'm going to actually use a spinner to populate a list of different tech stocks, like for this week. I'm working with like Google, Apple, Intel, and Microsoft. For next week's project, I'll actually probably use a spinner in place of the list view here and populate a whole bunch of them so that you can get maximum amount of results out of each query, getting different prices and that kind of stuff. So that's what I'm going to be looking to pull out of the API. But this week I just did something simple, created JSON. I'm going to kind of show you that. I got my enum here that was created to work as the data source for the JSON. So here's where I'm building the JSON. Kind of coming into things that need a little more clarification. It was really just me needing to slow down and go through the videos again because I forgot this one little line of code that was driving me nuts. So I ended up getting that fixed and everything works correctly. Other than that, everything went pretty well. But as far as your project audience, of course, you're going to be looking at somebody that's going to be dealing with stocks and that kind of thing. Trying to learn stocks, so something for me to play around with and just kind of get acclimated to the different terminology and such. So anyway, back to this. This is where we're building it, and then down here is where we're reading the code, or reading the JSON, and putting it into our results manual. So then what that does is that will come in here and we'll populate the list view with an array that I built here, a string array, and when you click that list array, it will populate the results text view with the JSON. So without further ado, we're going to click on some Google, and that's what happens. Click on Apple, it changes. Intel, same thing, and Microsoft, same thing. Really, the spinner, the only I was going to try to do like different groups, but just for time's sake, I decided not to. So when you select the choice, it'll throw a toast. I'm just going to show that you know how to use it. So that's pretty much what the app's going to be like. It's just going to be a basic stock app. So I'm looking forward to moving along in the next couple of weeks to see where I come out with this app. So that's me for the week, and hope you guys have a good one.